Anthropic just shipped its most powerful AI model yet, and the benchmarks are not close. Meet Claude Fable 5, the first model from a brand new tier they call Mythos class. Here's why it matters to you. Start with what it is. Released on June 9th, 2026, Fable 5 sits a full tier above Claude Opus 4.8, which was already one of the strongest models on the planet. Anthropic says it is state-of-the-art on nearly every benchmark they tested, and here's the key part. The longer and harder the task, the bigger its lead. It ships with a 1 million token context window and can write up to 128,000 tokens in a single response. Now the numbers, because they are striking, on coding, Fable 5 scores 80.3% on SWE Bench Pro, a hard real-world software test, and the next best model sits 11 points behind. On Anthropic's own analytics benchmark for long, complex tasks, it became the first model ever to break 90%, a 10-point jump over Opus. But the physics result is the one that stops you. On Frontier Physics Research, Fable 5 matched where GPT 5.5 landed after 4 days of work, and it got there in just 36 hours, using only a third of the thinking tokens. That is not a small step. That is a different gear. So why does this matter for you? The whole design of Fable 5 is long horizon work. It can stay focused across millions of tokens and take its own notes to improve as it goes. So it can run agentic coding tasks for days with very little human help. For a developer, that is the difference between an assistant that answers questions and one that quietly finishes a whole project. Overnight, for researchers, it means handing over problems that used to take a team a week. Now the catch, because there is always one, this power is expensive. $10 per million input tokens and 50 per million output, several times most models. Anthropic argues it often finishes jobs in fewer steps, so on the right task, the real cost lands closer than the sticker price. There's also a safety layer. On under 5% of sessions on sensitive topics, your query is quietly answered by the older Opus model instead. And there is a sibling, Claude Mythos 5, the same brain with some guardrails removed, deployed with the United States government under a program called Project Glasswing. The frontier is moving fast, and this is what the new front edge looks like. That wraps it up. Follow for AI updates.